Patrol, a day in Adventure Bay. A special adventure where you get to join a day in the life of a Paw Patrol pup. Tap a pup to choose it. Sky, Zuma, Rubble. Rise and shine. Wake up your pup by moving your fingers side to side.
All right, let's get ready for another day of Paw Patrol fun.
Pups have some tasks to do every day, just like you. Let's get started. Tap the blue picture of the... A healthy breakfast will help me feel ready for the day. Use your finger to drag the dog bowl from left to right to catch the falling pup treats. The bowl is full. Time for breakfast.
I like eating a healthy breakfast after a good night's sleep.
It's time to clean your pup's teeth. Tap the picture of the toothbrush. Tap the toothbrush by the sink. Swipe to brush up and down. Swipe to brush up and down. Swipe to brush up and down. Swipe to brush around and around. Swipe to brush back and forth. You did it! You scrubbed each and every tooth.
No cavities for me.
Time to wash Let's rinse. Tap the soap bottle to put soap on the pup's paws. Wow! Look at all those bubbles. Those paws are looking clean. Let's rinse the bubbles away now. Time to dry off. Tap the towel and drag it back and forth over the paws.
Good job. My paws look great.
This pup needs a good brushing. Tap the picture of the hairbrush. Tap the hairbrush by the sink to begin brushing the pup's hair. Tap and drag the brush over the pup's messy hair. Tap and drag the brush over the pup's messy hair.
That feels awesome, and I look great.
Before we get dressed, let's check the weather. the door to open it and look outside. What a bright, sunny day! Tap the blue clothes picture to open the closet. This pup needs to get dressed for the day. Tap and drag a piece of clothing to put it on your pup. Swipe left or right to see all the clothes. Tap the arrow to go to the next activity.
Awesome Pawsome!
You did it! This pup is ready to roll. Now it's... The pup houses all need new dog brushes and combs to keep the pups looking pup-tacular. Your mission is to pick these up at Katie's pet parlour.
Rubble's on the double.
Go straight! This is the way! Good job! Watch out for obstacles on the road. Swipe. Go straight! Yes, this is the direction to go in. You're doing great! Thanks for stopping by Katie's. All the pups will be smiling and styling with these new brushes and combs. Let's play a game of catch before we get ready for bed. Swipe on the flying disc to throw it to the pup.
I love playing catch.
Tap the arrow to go to the next activity. Give the pup a bubble bath before it goes to bed. Tap the blue picture of the bathtub to take a bath. Give the pup a bubble bath before it goes to bed. The dirt is gone. Now tap all the bubbles to pop them. All right, the bubbles are all gone, and so is the dirt. Tap the hairdryer to blow dry the pup's hair. Tap the arrow to go to the next activity. Tap the arrow to go to the next activity.
I'm squeaky clean.
Tap the blue picture of the dog bowl to feed the pup. been a busy day and this pup is hungry. Use your finger to drag the dog bowl from left to right to catch the falling pup treats. The bowl is full. Time for dinner.
Delicious!
Tap the blue clothes picture to open the closet. Tap the arrow to go to the next activity.
I'm ready to rock some Z's in these.
It's time to clean your pup's teeth. Tap the picture of the toothbrush. Tap the toothbrush by the sink to begin brushing the pup's teeth. Swipe to brush up and down. Swipe to brush back and forth. Swipe to brush around and around. You did it! You scrubbed each and every tooth.
My teeth are shining.
Time for your pup to go to sleep. Tap the blue picture of the bed. Tap the pup's bed to begin. Tap the light switch to turn off the lights.
Good night. Sleep tight.